I've been in your waters, been knocking at your door. I know one thing for sure, I've never been so close before. You were truly my lover, but it was over so fast. Just one thing to discover, it was never meant to last.
We've just arrived in Phnom Penh. We're still on the bus and we're about 5 minutes away from the bus station. We have been welcomed to Phnom Penh with the most torrential rain I've ever seen in my entire life. And I have never seen a sky angrier than the one that was over Phnom Penh on our way in. Have you? It went from day to night in like 5 minutes. It's madness. The streets are totally flooded. I feel like we should be on a boat rather than a bus. This is Southeast Asia in the rainy season. It's madness. Not over the moon with this accommodation. It's the cheapest one that we've had, and it looks like it. It's kind of like a bathroom. It's kind of like the whole thing's a bathroom. I'm surprised at the door.
What door? So to lock it, you have to do this.
What do we do when we leave? How do we lock our door? We have to padlock our door from the outside. There's no aircon, of course. This is our bed. They only give us one pillow, so that's really budget.
Sheets are dirty.
Yeah, sheets are dirty.
He said I gave you one with a bathroom.
Oh.
How nice of him. Look. Having some nightmares.
This is a shower.
I'm not showering here.
It's not actually separate from the bedroom. There's a wall, but they could only make the wall to there.
Because this is an actual giant bathroom. This is probably a shared
I
bathroom.
think that's what it is. I think you've got it. I think this was a shared bathroom originally, and then they decided, actually, do you know what? It's quite a nice bathroom. It would probably be quite a nice room. Are we even going to stay?
We have to pay for it.
We paid $4.
No, we didn't. We paid $6.
We paid $6. Let's get out of here.
We stayed one.
Just pretend we lost $6 in the street. It's all tile. This is definitely a bathroom.
We stayed in the moldy place.
The moldy place was paradise compared to this.
Do not take your shoes off in this place.
I'm not staying here. You can stay here by yourself. Very important travel tip, guys. When you're leaving your hostel room or your hotel room, remember to padlock it from the outside. Trust me, you don't want to forget that. That's important. Turn off the light and make sure you padlock that nice and tight. We don't want anyone to break into our garage. So we're just going to try and find something to eat. It's absolutely miserable here. Tonight's probably a write-off. I say we just watch a movie, chill out in our bathroom / bedroom. Hopefully there's Wi-Fi, we're not even sure. And then tomorrow, we'll do something tomorrow, eh? Lots to see in Phnom Penh, so hopefully the weather clears up. Let's get out of here.
How do they want me to lock the door?
I don't think you need to lock the door. No one's going to come in here voluntarily. Let's go. It's finally stopped raining. We've just left our new hostel which is a million times better than the place we were at last night, which wouldn't be hard to be a million times better than that, but still. It's called 88 Backpackers and I'll link it down below. We are heading out to try and see as much as we can today because we're only going to spend 2 days in Phnom Penh. So the really great thing about our new hostel is its location. If you're looking for it on Hostel World or online, it does say that it's 2 kilometers from the city centre, which originally we thought was going to be a bad thing. But looking at it on the map, all the places that we want to see are really close by. So we're actually just 2 minutes around the corner from our first point of attraction that we want to go see, and it's called Wat Phnom. And it's actually the only hill in Phnom Penh, and actually how this city got its name, because this hill was discovered by a woman called Lady Pen, and the word Phnom actually means hill. Get my photo taken with this random guy. I got no idea why. Okay, we're getting a photo taken together. Yay! That was odd. Okay, so I have to correct myself. Lady Pen did not discover the hill. She actually arrived here and asked all the locals to help her build it so they could put statues of Buddha on top. And then they built the city around it, so that's what happened. But this staircase is pretty impressive, check it out. That guy just topped up the petrol on his motorbike from a woman on the corner here who has the petrol in old Coca-Cola bottles.
This guy's over there.
Madness. These guys are hoisting bricks up, just like 3 bricks at a time. Lots of construction sites, but not much health and safety going on. No work boots, no helmets, just sandals and baseball caps. So we just popped into KFC because we saw a big sign outside that said buy one get one free. At least we thought it said buy one get one free, and now we've come in and we've noticed that it doesn't say get one free, it just says buy one get one. So if you buy one you get one, and that's the deal.
It just says buy one get.
Yeah, but I think it's supposed to be like buy one get one. That's why the one's covering both lines. And maybe what they're saying is sometimes you pay for it and you don't even get it. But because it's great month offer, if you pay for it, you 100% will receive your item this time. So that's a deal I can't resist.
I've been in your waters, been knocking at your door. I know one thing for sure, I've never been so close before.
So we've arrived at the Royal Palace here. The gates are closed so we can't go in. There's an awful lot of activity around the grounds here. I think one of the tuk-tuk drivers mentioned that the Queen's brother died. They're having like a 3-day funeral, so maybe these people are here showing their respects to the Queen. I would suspect that's what's happening. There's no cars allowed access to this area, no tuk-tuks, which is nice. So it's very peaceful here, very nice and relaxed. Everyone's having a nice time apparently, it looks like it.
But it was over so fast. Just one thing to discover. Oh no, it was never built to last.
Okay, sun has just gone down here in Phnom Penh.
Absolutely gorgeous, just gorgeous. So the sun has just gone down here in Phnom Penh and it was absolutely gorgeous. If you haven't been here, go before you don't.
We're just going to have a wander around now, but might just end the video here because it's getting dark and we're not sure what we're going to do. Maybe just head on back soon. But it's been a fun day. And what I was going to say to you guys just before we finish the video is that if you haven't been to Phnom Penh,
Go before you done.
yes.